Imagine a cozy living room filled with laughter and the sound of playful barks. For dogs, each with distinct personalities, gather around a vibrant carom board, their excitement palpable. The Golden Retriever, known for her gentle demeanor, observes carefully, tail wagging in eager anticipation, while the playful Beagle darts around, nudging the carom coins with his nose, sending them spinning in every direction. In the heart of this delightful chaos, the mischievous terrier takes charge, expertly grabbing a coin with her mouth and triumphantly dropping it into the corner pocket. Her spirited antics draw the attention of the others, making the scene lively and entertaining. Suddenly, the wise old bulldog, with a steady but playful nature, joins in, taking turns with his furry companions, enjoying the blend of strategy and spontaneity as he nudges a coin with his paw. As they enjoy this unconventional moment, the room becomes a mixture of barks and playful growls, reinforcing their bond in a unique way. Each wild attempt to play the game results in lovable failures, creating a lighthearted atmosphere filled with spontaneity. With every playful interaction, the dogs create an unbreakable camaraderie, reminding us of the beauty in simple, shared moments. In the end, despite the coins scattered everywhere, what truly matters is the joy highlighted through their friendships, where laughter and love dominate the game, making it an unforgettable experience for both them and their human companions.